Hey guys, it's Chris G here from workfromhomeblueprints.net, and I want to take some time today to share with you our number one online weapon, and I want to show you how we set it up in just under 5 minutes. This is because a lot of our subscribers ask us how we would start off or how we would go if we needed to start the business straight out from scratch. And this is our number one online weapon. It is the number one thing that makes us successful. It is the number one thing that we cannot run our business without at this particular moment in time. And we're going to show you straight how we set everything up in under 5 to 6 minutes. Step by step, nothing missed out. Okay, so if you haven't figured out what our online weapon is, it's our humble squeeze page. Now, we have a squeeze page in front of us now, which is a squeeze page that you might see if you try to sign up for Work Less and Make More. It could be slightly different because we are constantly testing our squeeze pages online, and this squeeze page took us a very short amount of time to get up there, and a lot of people struggle to put up squeeze pages because they don't like HTML or they don't know how to web edit. But this is a very simple way of creating a squeeze page. Now, if I take you behind the scenes, if you like, into our WordPress admin, you can see that we are at an add a new page section, and what we've done is we've actually bought into a theme called OptimizePress. Now, OptimizePress allows you to make custom squeeze pages and other types of pages really quickly and efficiently. So we're here at add a new page, and what we're going to do is we're going to very quickly put in a sample squeeze page, and we're going to do it pretty much step by step. So we're going to give this a name. We're going to call this test squeeze. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the template gallery to see what OptimizePress has as a template that we could actually use for our squeeze page. So, OptimizePress has templates for squeeze pages, it has templates for sales pages, launch pages, membership pages, and blog pages. You can do absolutely any. You could run your website completely using OptimizePress if you wanted to. And it has a number of different squeeze page templates pre-built into it, which mean that all you've got to do is fill in a couple of boxes and we're ready to go. So if you look, we've got squeeze pages with videos, we have them with header and without headers, we've got squeeze pages that are just text, we've got templates for squeeze pages that have smaller video, they have just the ebooks as well. We can have ones with a little video at the top. We can have all sorts of lovely little layouts, and they are just pre-built for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a squeeze page, and the first thing that we're going to do is select a template, and we're just very quickly going to select a minimal style squeeze page. Now, let's go to the option boxes and let's start filling some of the stuff in. So, we're going to go to the headline options, and we're going to make a pre-headline. The first headline you'd see, and we'll type in, can you make a squeeze page? I'm going to write a headline, download your free copy of how to make a killer squeeze page in under 6 minutes. I'm sure you could probably come up with better headlines than I can at this moment, but it's just a demonstration. And let's put a subheadline. This is a limited offer. And once you've done your headlines, you filled in those boxes, OptimizePress will do the rest for you and put those headline texts into where they're meant to go. So the next thing you can do is you can put in your opt-in box, and you would copy your autoresponder code into here. So you would get it from Aweber and place it into there. You would decide whether you want the name section to come up. You would choose your button, so select image or upload a new one, and OptimizePress comes with a number of buttons that it can already choose from. So let's get a Get Access Now button, and let's use that one. once we've put in our opt-in box, let's say we want our cover to come out, and you can activate the cover. And this would require a link, and we've already put up our our eCover onto our hosting, so we have a link for it. So there is a link to eCover, and we could say, do we want it to be shared by social media? Share this video, share the love, and we can put the Facebook share icon, and we can just leave those settings as a default for the demonstration. Now, once you've selected the different options that you want to select at the bottom using these squeeze page options, we can now write some text in here that makes the bulk of your squeeze page. So, dear marketer, do you struggle to create sexy squeeze, my spelling's atrocious today, sexy squeeze pages in under 10 minutes? We have an excellent solution to your problem. It will help you. And let's make a bullet list. Make sexy squeeze pages. Make no squeeze pages quickly. No HTML needed. And you get the point. You can then write, thanks, Chris. Right. And let's preview and let's see what OptimizePress has done for us. And whilst waiting for a preview, you will see that OptimizePress does pretty much everything you wanted to. And you can sit down and you can edit it, but automatically you've got your headlines, which we entered. We have a social button, which we could use to share. We have our eCover. We have our opt-in box with the lovely button. And you can see that the bullet points have been made into something a little bit more attractive, and your little bit of text, and so on and so forth. And that's taken us a couple of minutes to do. And obviously, if you really wanted to, you could spend pretty much all day editing and tweaking your squeeze pages. But in under 6 minutes, you can get killer squeeze pages out there and ready for testing. And trust me, this is our #1 secret weapon. We get 95% of our opt-ins to our list from our squeeze pages. 95%. That's a massive, massive number. So it is worthwhile to have good squeeze pages made really, really quickly. Okay, so there you have it, our step-by-step method on getting our #1 online weapon up and running in under 6 minutes. Yes, our online weapon is helped by OptimizePress. Now, we've put a link to OptimizePress below this video, which we would like you to go and check out to see if it fits your business model and to see whether you would like to use it to make your squeeze pages. As you can see, it's something that we use personally and that we use to make our squeeze pages, and it makes our life a hell of a lot easier. Now, before you go, please take a second to like this video, share the love, and before you leave, have a nice weekend and see you soon.